Are we alone in the universe? Since the dawn of human civilization, we have looked up at the stars and asked, are we alone? Today, that question is no longer just philosophical, it's scientific. With over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe and over 100 billion stars in our own Milky Way, the possibility that Earth is the only life-bearing planet is now considered statistically unlikely by MAINSTREAM scientists. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is astrobiology, astronomy, and government intelligence. Question which comes to mind: how likely is alien life? The Drake equation. In 1961, astronomer Frank Drake developed a formula to estimate the number of intelligent civilizations in our galaxy. Using the latest data from NASA's Kepler and TESS missions, scientists now estimate 200-300 million potentially habitable planets exist in the Milky Way alone. 20 to 40 billion Earth-like planets orbit Sun-like stars. Many of these planets are older than Earth. Earth is 4.5 billion years old, but some are over 6 billion. If life evolved on Earth in less than 1 billion years, then there's enough time and space for millions of civilizations to arise elsewhere. About water in the universe. Water is essential for life as we know it. NASA's spacecraft and telescopes have found water in multiple places. Europa, which is Jupiter's moon, global subsurface ocean with possible hydrothermal vents similar to early Earth. Enceladus, which is Saturn's moon, shoots geysers of salty water 100s of kilometers into space. Mars, ancient riverbeds, lakebeds, and polar ice caps. Some show water vapor in their atmospheres. What does alien life look like? Extremophiles on Earth. To understand alien life, scientists study extremophiles, organisms on Earth that survive in extreme environments. Thermophiles thrive in boiling water near volcano-shallow live in extremely salty lakes. Tardigrades can survive in space, radiation, freezing, and boiling conditions. This means alien life doesn't have to look like us. It could exist in ammonia lakes, methane oceans, or acidic clouds. RNA world theory. Life may begin from simple self-replicating molecules like RNA. If these formed on early Earth, they could form elsewhere too, perhaps on planets like Kepler 186f or Proxima b. The government files. Are they hiding the truth? Pentagon UAP reports 2021-2023. In 2020, the U.S. Navy released 3 videos of unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, showing craft flying with no visible propulsion system, acceleration from 0 to Mach speeds, movements defying inertia and physics. 2021, the Office of the Director of National Intelligence (ODNI) admitted out of 144 encounters, 143 remain unexplained. Whistleblower David Grusch. 2023, former U.S. intelligence officer David Grusch claimed in sworn testimony the U.S. recovered non-human biologics and crafts. A decades-long crash retrieval program exists. He submitted classified evidence to Congress under the Intelligence Community Whistleblower Protection Act. This is not from conspiracy theorists. It's from the U.S. military and intelligence. Ancient texts and theories. Were they here before? The oldest civilization on Earth, Sumer, modern-day Iraq, left behind texts about the Anunnaki, described as sky gods who came from a planet called Nibiru. They were said to teach humans agriculture, mathematics, and astronomy. Tablets mention knowledge we only recently rediscovered. In ancient India, the Vedas, texts over 5,000 years old, describe flying machines called Vimanas with engines, flight manuals, and even weapons resembling lasers. Nazca Lines, gigantic geoglyphs in Peru, made 20 years ago, only visible from the sky, depicting astronaut-like figures perfectly. Straight lines over 10 miles long. Historians cannot explain how ancient civilizations created such advanced designs without aircraft or satellites. The question which comes to mind: are aliens watching us? The WOW signal, 1977, detected by Ohio State's Big Ear radio telescope's strong narrowband signal lasting 72 seconds from space to this day. Never repeated, never explained. The Oumuamua object 2017, first interstellar object ever detected in our solar system. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb proposed it could be an alien probe. It didn't behave like a comet or asteroid, reflected light oddly accelerated, mysteriously crop circles in real patterns. While many crop circles are hoaxes, some appear overnight in protected locations, have electromagnetic interference in the area, show altered cellular structure in the crops. Why haven't they made contact? Fermi paradox: if aliens exist, where are they? Here are the scientific possibilities. They're too far away. Light takes hundreds of years to travel between stars. Maybe they sent a signal, and it's still on the way. They don't want to interfere. The zoo hypothesis suggests Earth is like a cosmic preserve. We're too primitive to detect them. Just like ants can't understand humans, we might not even recognize alien technology. They're extinct. Civilizations may rise and collapse just like Rome or the Maya. Advanced species might self-destruct through war, AI, or climate collapse. What if contact happened? What scientists fear and hope if we receive a signal? Organizations like SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, have protocols in place. Confirm signal from multiple observatories. Verify it's not a natural the public through international channels. But the consequences: religious shock, Are we still God's only children? Political chaos. Who gets to talk to them first? Technological leap. What if they share faster than light travel? Even Stephen Hawking warned meeting a more advanced civilization could be like Native Americans encountering Columbus. Are we the aliens? According to Panspermia theory, life on Earth might not have started here in 1984. A Martian meteorite, IL Hadlapan 4001, found in Antarctica contained possible fossilized bacteria. Some comets and asteroids contain amino acids, the building blocks of life. If life can travel through space, perhaps we are descendants of it. The truth is, getting closer with every discovery, from Mars water to UAP footage. We are getting closer to a revelation. Whether aliens are microbes, machines, or civilizations far beyond us, the truth is no longer science fiction. We live in an era where alien contact is not just possible, it is increasingly probable. Keep asking, keep watching, and remember, the universe is not silent. It's waiting. If you want more videos like this, full of real science, deep mysteries, and untold truths, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Drop your theories in the comments below. Do you believe aliens have already been here?